Hi, hi Jake. How's your day today?
Great.
Great. Okay. Did you eat today?
I eat pasta.
Yeah, so you eat pasta. What else?
Also, fried rice.
Fried rice. Did you play today?
Yes.
What did you do? What did you play?
Um, the marble toys.
The marble toys. Did you watch TV today?
Yeah.
What did you watch?
No, Madonna.
And
Creepy.
Blippi also.
Yeah.
Did you play with your Lolo and Lola?
Yeah. Lola.
Who? Lola who?
Lala Misa, Lolo Mong
And
and Morris and Lolo Bio.
what about Lola Ann? Did you play?
Yes.
What did you play? Did you do TikTok with Lola Ann today?
Yes.
What Lola Ann is singing?
Pusong ligaw.
Pusong Ligaw! Okay. And what Lolo Momong is watching on the TV?
Chicken.
Chicken! Lolo Momong is watching chicken. What about what Jake play with Lolo Momong?
Yes.
What did you do? What
I
play?
do the with Jake play Batman, Lolo play that Joker, that big one.
Oh, really?
Yes.
And what else?
Also, Superman.
Also Superman?
Yes.
And did you poo-poo today?
Yes.
Who was your bam?
Mommy.
Mommy. Okay, what about your daddy? What did you do with your dad?
Like this stuffy
In the back.
in the back.
You play with the back of daddy.
Yeah.
Did you go to the store today?
Yes.
Where? In the big or small?
Big.
Ah, you went to the big store?
Yeah.
Huh? With who?
Daddy and teacher food.
No, that's not Tito Ferds, anak. That's Tito Yani. Okay, you saw Tito Yani?
Yeah.
Okay, and what did you buy in the store? What did you buy?
Chocolate milk.
Chocolate milk. What about for your mom? What did you buy for your mom? You buy something for your mom. What did you buy?
Apple juice.
Apple juice. Okay. And then when you go up, you eat with mommy and daddy.
Yeah.
What did you eat?
The chicken.
Chicken.
Yeah.
Okay. And then after you eat chicken, what did you do? You poo-poo.
Yeah.
And mommy wash your bam.
Yeah. Mommy is second. The poop for everything. Mom, I poop. I just saw me daddy's. Hi.
Okay, can you show them your smile? With teeth? With teeth? Show your dimples. Huh? Say poggy. Say good evening, guys.
Good evening, guys.
Welcome to my blog.
Welcome. Hi. Welcome to my vlog.
God bless you.
God bless you.
Till next time.
Next